back to my channel. So today we're doing another paint pour because I have some leftover paint I used in a previous art project, and I've got this new silicone split cup that I want to try. So let's just go and fill this one up. Let's do the white in the center. It's actually a unbleached titanium. I think I want to do about half. And then maybe do some more in another pocket. Then I have this grayish blue tint I really like. Seems a little bit thinner. Oh, there was a blob. I think I got it. So let's try and pour this in. Probably a lot more blobs in there. So let's do about halfway again. These are all really muted colors. So I've got this kind of salmon-y orange color. Let's do that on the other side. Well, let's just pour the whole thing. It's old paint, so I'm probably going to be picking out blobs as I go. So that's the orangey color. And I think I've got a pink. Let's go and put that here. Ooh, this is thick. Maybe I should add a little bit of water. This is one of those spur in the moment videos. I was just going through my closet and seeing the split cup, and I was like, I haven't done one of those in ages. And I have this paint and I don't want to waste it. So let's just pour this in here. Mixy, because there was a lot of the thicker stuff down there. So that's the pink. And I've got this really nice blue. So let's put that in here. It's actually a turquoise. So what do you think it's going to look like? I think it's going to be cool, but really interested to see your predictions down in the comments. So leave me a comment what you think this is going to look like. So I've got a purple. Let's add that on top of the blue, or the turquoise, excuse me. I don't think I'm going to fill it up completely because I think it's going to be too much. Let's do some of the beigey white on here. Like so. Then some of this grayish blue in here. So we've got two more that aren't to full capacity. Let's do a little bit of this purple in here. And let's just put some in here. The first paint is going to go away anyways, so it doesn't really matter because you're pouring it first, so it's probably the thing that's going to go over the edge. So let me put everything away and put a little bit of a base down on the canvas. So I just put some of that lighter paint on the base, and let's just pour this paint. It's a lot of paint in here, so way too much for a canvas this size. Stretch it out just a little bit because I don't want to spin it, probably wreck it. So let's just use a popsicle stick to make some interesting designs. Normally I wouldn't do this many of these racks, but I really like the rings it gives me. So I think that's it. So now it's time to get messy. So it's not moving as fast as I thought it would. It's going really slow, but it's still moving. I really like these lines here on the top, so I want to try and get them to open up a little bit and then go back and stretch this area maybe a little bit. So I've got this over the edge. Let's move it back around, and I forgot to put some cup down, so I don't have a place to put my canvas. So that's going to be interesting. That's what happens when you don't do something in a while and then think, oh yeah, let's just do that, and then just go for it, being impulsive and forgetting that you need to prep. So let me try and sort myself out. I think it's not going to go much further, and all the sides are covered, and I'll just torch it to get some of the bubbles off and let it dry. So the piece is all nice and dry, and I thought this would be a nice piece to do some embellishment on. I've got these paint markers, and I think I want to do the shiny. So I've got two colors. Don't know if you can see, I don't think they're that different. So let's just try. So this one is quite yellowish. So I think I'm gonna stick with this one. And I thought it would be nice because I looked at it and I saw a lot of flowers. So something like this. I'm just gonna do this all over the piece, and then it'll be ready for the final reveal. I haven't poured paint in a while. It was a lot of fun, but I have to be honest, the best part was going crazy with the gold marker. Just look at that shine. The only thing I wish I did different was pick different colors. It's just missing a little bit of contrast, so I will just have to do it again. I would love to hear your opinion on it. Please leave your comment down below in the comment section. But for now, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone!